Rob Beresford and Nick Franklin here, working on the electronics on the Tim Meyer car. Tim, you had some pretty good ideas for troubleshooting. Could you run us through really quickly how you found the burned out fuse?
First thing I did is I plugged in the ignition, I turned the key on, and turned it on. And I didn't get anything.
Yep.
I didn't get anything on the dash here. I probed the ignition switch harness, trying to see what kind of voltage I had.
And to probe it, if I'm not mistaken, you put one end of your circuit tester on ground, and then you go around with the other lead and you poke it into various places to see if you can get. You're looking for 12 volted volts at various places.
So I was checking for 12 volts here. The white wire is the power supply for the ignition switch. I didn't have 12 volts there, so I came back here to the fuse block. The main fuse coming in from the battery and going out to the alternator is this big guy right here.
I didn't even know that was a fuse, so that's good information.
So I had 12 volts coming in from the battery. I had nothing coming out of the fuse. There's a little window here, and I could see that the fuse is blown inside there. So I went ahead and replaced that. We got 12 volts, turning the key. Now it turns. Now it turns over.
So useful circuit testing technology, putting the instrument cluster back into the system, and also to start, it needs to be in neutral, which means that you move the lever. Was it all the way forward towards the front of the car, and then click it back 2 clicks, and you'll be in neutral. So great progress tonight. Thanks a lot, Nick.
Yep.